Making activity book for kids is easier than you think. Let me show you how. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an attractive activity book for kids just by using Canva. Just make sure your book is filled with both fun and learning, so kids enjoy every page while growing their skills. So, let's build your activity book together. Open Canva's homepage. Go to the search bar and search for A4. I would recommend you to use a blank page. Now go to Elements and search for green grassland. Now again go to Elements and search for sky background. Go to Graphics. Now select this image as background. Now search here tree. Again go to Graphics section and let's choose this. Now drag this object to increase the size. Set on the left side and change the position. Now duplicate this object and set on the right side as well. Again change the position and set on the back side. Search here Kids Learning. Go to Graphics section. And choose this. Let's add some more objects to make the cover page attractive. Now search her cloud. And drag it to the right corner. Now it's time to add the title of your activity book. Let's go to Text box. And add a heading. Type your text here. Now change the font of this text. I'm choosing Gently. Then slightly increase the size. To make it more prominent, reduce the line spacing to 1.2. Now go to Effects and choose Outline. Increase the thickness to 120. And change the outline color to black. Now go to Text Color and change it to white. It is looking pretty good. Once your cover page is ready, go to Grid View and duplicate this cover page according to the page numbers of your activity book. Let's design interior pages. For this, go to Elements and search for Shape. I'm choosing this. Simply drag this shape to adjust on whole page. Now, slightly increase the border width to make it prominent. And change the color to white. And now search here's Hills Outline. Go to Graphics. Again. Search here. Unicorn Outline. Now, follow the same method and add some more objects to make this page attractive. After decorating your page, add some text. And type your text here. Now change the font size and keep it kids friendly. As I want to keep the pattern same, so I would just copy this white background and paste on the third page. Go to Elements and search here Maze. I'm going to add an activity. So, just go to Graphics. Let's choose this. Now search your bunny outline. Now add text to this page. Type here Maze Game. Simply change the font size and font style. Let's choose this. You can also add tracing pages and shapes to make your activity book more fun and engaging. And if you are planning to upload your book on Amazon KDP, then must remember your book should have at least 24 pages. You can also exceed the number. Double-check all the pages before downloading your PDF. If you are using Canva's free plan, then make sure you don't use any pro elements from Canva's library, otherwise you won't be able to download your PDF. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my channel.